How to fix Snapchat call not working? First of all, check your internet connection. You can check it by going to Google and search for internet speed check. After that, go to Play Store or App Store if you are using iPhone. Then search for Snapchat. After that, update Snapchat app. After that, long press on Snapchat app. Tap App Info. Tap Storage Usage. Clear cache. This will fix the issue. If this not, then allow all permissions. Go back and tap on permissions here. You can see all the options. So allow phone, also camera and all the things. If these things not work, then completely uninstall and reinstall the app.